I got cold. I'm going to sleep in kitchen. After my night shift, this is the night I am with my family. I'm with Shravani and Tanvi. But I'm not able to sleep with them because of this cold.
मेरा बाप जिस इंटेंस का खराटे मारता है ना तो उससे 2 कदम दूर था.
I think I don't snore.
सबको यही लगता है, जो खराटे मारता है उनको यही लगता है कि वो खराटे नहीं मारता.
I kind of whisper.
This is not whispering.
My snoring is whisper snoring.
अच्छा, whisper क्या होता है बता? What is whispering?
Today I didn't go to the office because I had fever and cold and I was unable to wake up from my bed. After this water boils, I'll just put this capsule in a boiling water and I'll take a steam. Steam effect. It will help me recover fast.